Everybody, this is Richard and Sophia from the Drew Decor Store. Today we're going to be talking about the Cole & Son wallpaper, the Woods and Pears design. It has borne a host of golden pears in shimmering metallic hues of silver and bronze. This wallpaper from Cole & Son adds a touch of magic and a contemporary look to any interior.
And don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on and give it a big thumbs up.
Thanks, Sophia. Right, let's jump straight into this video. So today we're going to show you how to transform your room. If you're feeling it's a little bit drab and boring or anything, you want to add some style to it and design. It's so easy, and the best thing about it, you can do it yourself. You can do it yourself, and we're going to take you through it all the stages, and hopefully give you some inspiration. So this is a recently finished project for us, what we did a few weeks ago, and it was a very dark room, a little bit boring, and we added this wallpaper. We painted all the ceilings and walls obviously, but the finishing touch was to add this wallpaper to the feature wall where the log burner is, and it just looks amazing, doesn't it? Yeah, great. So how do we go about it? Right, so let's just take a closer look at the design. So you can see they've got the classic woods design, really nice detail with the shadows on the branches and the depth of the woods. But with this design, they've added the pears, which is in a metallic, and it just stands out. When the light hits it, it stands out, looks really effective. So how do we do this? How do we go about doing this? So let's show you how easy it is to hang. So obviously you're not going to be putting it on this quick. So how I've started this is on the first length here. Let's say this wallpaper is 52 centimeters wide. I will measure 51 centimeters in from the wall. With a spirit level, I will draw a pencil line all the way down, and that's what I'm going to butt up to. That's my first length. And once I've put my first length up, that's it. It's simple. You can go all the way across the wall with no problems, and you know everyone's going to be level. So once you've struck your line, then all you need to do is paste probably one length, or if you're a little bit more confident, two lengths with the wallpaper paste directly to the wall, because this wallpaper is paste the wall. So you paste the wall, and then you can just roll the paper on. It's as easy as that. So once you've put the paste on the wall and you struck your line, you can then go about putting the wallpaper on and matching it up. It's really easy. Even my 8-year-old daughter could do this. It's simple. And how we're cutting the top and bottom off is with a Stanley knife, a sharp Stanley knife from a decorating centre, with a spatula to direct you and to guide it. It's really easy. It's very quick, and it's very effective. And also, you can do this. You can do all the walls. You can do one feature wall. It's so easy and effective. So let's take you to the next page. How do we go about getting this wallpaper? Well, it's quite simple. Go to the Drew Decor Store. I would recommend to request a sample. You will receive that sample within a couple of days or so, depending what day it is. Normally 2 to 3 days you'll receive the sample. Once you receive the sample, stick it up on your wall. Are you happy with it? Yeah, it's going to look awesome. Then you can go about calculating on how many rolls you need. So the beauty with this website is that you can type in your dimensions into the wallpaper calculator, because it's on this website, and then it will throw up how many rolls you need. And then once you're happy with that, add the quantity, add to cart, and that's it. It will get delivered direct to your home, and then you can go on about transforming your room into this awesome, cozy little snug of a room here with a log burner. Look at that log burner. It looks so effective with that, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, I love it. I love it. Okay, so there you go. Here's the design of the Cole & Son Woods and Pears. It looks absolutely amazing. It's so easy to hang, and you can get it direct, sample, then your walls. It's as easy as that. Thanks for listening to the video, and we will speak to you soon on the next one. Thank you.